Hi, this is Rich Bowers from Bowers AKC Labs. We're looking at Pikachu's puppies. Pikachu's the mother, Levi's the father. They're 5 weeks old. Yay! If there's any questions, please leave it in the comments. These puppies are still available. We have a couple females, I think one female or two females, and we have one or two males left. So if you want to get involved and buy a puppy, buy a puppy. There you go. So this is Rich Bowers from Bowers AKC Labs signing off. And from the puppy house, this is Pikachu's litter. God bless and good night.